Do you want to keep your food products fresh, safe, and long-lasting? Introducing the dual-chamber vacuum packing machine, a powerful and efficient solution designed to take your packaging process to the next level. This machine features two chambers, allowing continuous operation where one side is sealing while the other is being prepared, resulting in double productivity and faster output. Its advanced vacuum system removes air completely, helping preserve the freshness, taste, and quality of products like snacks, dry fruits, meat, and dairy for a longer time. Vacuum sealing also slows down bacterial growth, ensuring better hygiene and safety. Ideal for food industries, hotels, and export businesses, this machine is perfect for bulk packaging needs. With user-friendly controls and a durable design, it is easy to operate and highly reliable. If you're looking for a fast, professional, and cost-effective packaging solution, the dual-chamber vacuum packing machine is the perfect choice to upgrade your business today.